Today I'm going to share with you some styling tips to make you look taller and slimmer and less frumpy. Hi, I'm Shelley and welcome to Fabulous 50s. Today I'm going to share with you some really great useful styling tips to make you feel really good in your clothes. And the secret to finding a style that you love is to find out the part of your body that you like the best and emphasize that, and then conceal the bits that you don't like very much at all. And I'm going to show you how I do it using workout gear, but you can apply this to any outfit in your wardrobe. And if you're new to Fabulous 50s, hi and welcome. Click subscribe and ring that bell for more videos created for women over 50. Okay, let's get started on the first look. This was a top that I picked up at Sephora. It was in the specials rack. I think it was $7, but I really liked the color. And I knew that if I bought it, I'd be able to do something with it. So I spent the $7, took it home, and then I started playing with it. And as you can see, when it's just on my body, I look frumpy. It just looks too big for me. It covers my body and it kind of swallows my petite frame. So what I did is I cut a seam at the center. It was already split at the side, but I cut it a little bit higher and then I tied a knot in the side of it. And what that did is it gave me an asymmetric hem, which looks great on everybody's body because it's lengthening, it makes us look taller. And it also brought all the fabric in to sort of cling to my body, which makes me look slimmer. Because when there's too much fabric, we just look bigger. So as soon as I started playing around with this, I knew that I'd be able to wear it some way because all of a sudden it looks better. I don't like the neckline on this because it's too low for me and that's not my style. And the reason this neckline doesn't suit me is because the distance between my neck and under the bust line is long on me, and then from here to here is short. So when I really have a neckline that's low, I just look too long up top and short down the bottom. But if you've got a big bust, that's a great neckline for you and it will probably make you look taller and slimmer. But for me, as soon as I add a sports bra to that, it instantly makes my body look in more harmony. So this sports bra has a cutout in the neckline, which adds interest for my body type because the attention is going here and not onto the widest part of my body. And if you're petite or a pear shape, this is a perfect solution for you because the attention's going here because it's interesting and it's different, and less attention is going here. And you may have something like this in your wardrobe that you're not wearing because it doesn't suit you. Try tweaking it, try adding something different to it to see if it suits your body. Okay, we're going to go on to look 2 now. Okay, this is an old, very old t-shirt that I own, and just worn like this, it just makes me look frumpy. It does nothing for my body at all. And you'll notice when the hem comes down over your thighs in this way, it just makes you look bigger. It makes your thighs look big. And if you're a pear shape or if you're smaller up top, you're going to look small and then big. So that's not great for your body shape or mine. And the other thing about this top is the hem is going up and it's drawing the attention up and making me look shorter. Compared to a hemline that curves down like the one I'm wearing or the one in the photo, this is bringing the eye down. It's kind of like an arrow. And I'll give you an example. This hem here is curved downwards, it's pointing down. If I make that straight, it gives it a completely different look. So I'll just make it like that. So a straight line is less flattering on a curvy body than a curved line. Keep that in mind with everything that you own. Now I'm going to come back to this top at the end of the video to show you how great it is with a bit of styling and how easy it is. Okay, we're going on to the next look now. This asymmetric top is nice. It's okay. It looks amazing if you've got a very big bust because it's very slimming, and the angle going downwards is going to draw the eye down and kind of cut you in half. So I just bought it and I was really disappointed because it didn't really do anything. So I added another top underneath to give me support. And then I added a singlet over the top to sort of pull the whole look together. So for me, I feel a lot more comfortable in this. I feel it looks a lot better than without it. And that's the whole point. We've got to feel comfortable in what we're wearing. We need to feel like we're put together and it looks okay. And don't feel bad if you buy something and you try it on and it just doesn't look great. Try it in a different way. Look at your body, figure out what it needs, what elements it needs to make it look better, and just try with something that you've already got at home. And I encourage you to take something that's old and you don't care about and cut it up, like I did with the blue top and tied a knot in it at the side. Try that with some things you've already got, so then you can get an idea in your mind of what's going to suit you. Okay, this next look on me is just like a singlet top and tights. And I feel uncomfortable in this because it's showing off my long upper torso and my short waist. So I don't feel comfortable in that, and I like to layer it with the same black singlet or this style to lengthen me. So it's giving the appearance that I'm longer, but it's still drawing attention to this area, which is too long for me on my body. I mean, it's not too long really in the real world. It doesn't matter, and I don't really care anymore, but I've just learnt to dress so that my body is in proportion, and it's fun and it does make a difference. So my solution is to add a sports bra underneath, and this one's got the asymmetric line down the neckline, and that's lengthening me and it's adding interest. So the way to modernize and to make yourself look more youthful when you're dressing in this way is to add interest, something a little bit different, and then it's just that one thing that we're focusing on that adds interest to you. So this is a really good top. This is also from Fabletics. This isn't sponsored and I paid for these myself, but look at this line, it's lengthening. So a big bust or a wide shoulder, this is going to really look great on you too. And another great thing about this kind of sports bra is because it's adding interest to this area here and it's slimming, it's going to take away the emphasis on your tummy rolls and your thigh rolls. It's bringing all the attention to here, which is great because that's what we've done. It's an optical illusion and it makes a huge difference. If you'd like to tweak this look one step further, adding a pair of black socks is going to make you look taller and slimmer instantly, because we're creating a column of black down the entire length of our leg. As opposed to showing calf or showing ankle, the skin breaks the line and it makes us look shorter. They're all very small tweaks, but added together, they make a huge difference. We've covered the bulges, we've added some interest, we've added length, and I don't have to hold my tummy in. Okay, the next look, I love this color of the sports bra. It's from Gymshark. They make very good quality. Again, not sponsored, I paid for this myself. And these pants are from Spanx. And the Spanx pants are amazing because they suck you in at your tummy and your booty. It's perfect. But for me, I like to add a layer because I don't like showing my tummy. And this way I'm comfortable all day long. Here you'll see the top and the bottom for this Gymshark combination, which I love because I love the color and I love the material and I love the shape of the neckline because it's asymmetric and gives me interest. But to me, this is just too uncomfortable to wear. And you can see when I turn side on, all you can see is my belly because there's no compression in that. And I don't want that. And that's the difference between these kind of pants and Spanx pants. There is a huge difference. So if a tummy worries you, they're a really good option for you to buy. But if you've got a tummy as well, wearing something without compression, which is a little bit more comfortable, and wearing a top over it to skim your tummy down is the perfect solution. Now I'm going to show you a really cool trick. Take this top that I have that's frumpy, it's too big, it's really old, and I'm going to show you how to tie it so it really flatters your body. To start with, off the shoulder is so flattering, especially if you've got something nice around your neckline. And the little sleeve covers your arms. And I know many of us love to cover our arms because they do this when we walk around. So, you know, whatever, let's cover them up if we need to, but we can do it in a stylish way. So I took the fabric at the side in the center and pulled it in and made a knot out of it. And it automatically brings my waist in. And now you're looking at my waist, the eye is drawn straight there instead of being drawn to my thighs where all that fabric was. So you can apply these tips to your own clothes that you've got in your wardrobe that you're probably not wearing because you don't think they suit your body. Try these things. But this one has a great shape, and you can either wear it with this is longer at the front, or you can turn it around and wear it a little bit shorter at the front. And this is a really great idea because we've got two lengths to play with. We've got longer at the back, shorter at the front, or vice versa, longer at the front and shorter at the back, depending on your body shape. And like if you love your booty and you want to show it off, just, I've got my microphone, but you can just tuck that in and happy days, you can show that off. So find the bit that you like the most about your body. It might be your booty, it might be your small waist, it might be your beautiful arms or your décolletage. Show that off. Let me know if you'd like more videos like this on how to tweak your clothes that you already have to make something better out of them. And if you enjoyed these style tips and think you might have some ideas to make yourself look taller and slimmer, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to watch another video on how to tweak the clothes that you already have, click here or here. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.